I have something amazing for you today.
Oh.
So this is the fall 2019 box. The first thing in here is that, and so it says, "Hey there, pumpkin." Oh my gosh, that's so cute. And then it also has spooky. So you have like Halloween decor and then like fall decor.
So on one side, it has a pumpkin with a succulent. Other side, it's a really beautiful like Merlot wine purple, which I love. So this is the black and white pattern.
This side says "Gather here with grateful hearts," but it does flip around. And this side just says "Welcome to our home."
Okay, let's see what's in here. This side says "Thankful," and this side says "Pumpkin Sweets, Spooks, and Treats." This will look so cute by my coffee bar.
So the next thing in here is a little like pedestal, it looks like. Put this on your like table and use it as like a centerpiece, or if you have like a big, what are those hurricane glasses?
It's succulent art. This is so cute. On the back, you have this perfect golden piece for you to mount right on the wall.
It's obviously gonna be fall. It's gonna say boo, like it's a Halloween. Ah,
Oh my goodness!
falling in love with our take on a letterboard.
So this is really cool. I like it. I have a very natural plant themed apartment, especially out in the living room. You could even put it on the table with some stuff in it as well. So that's cool, or you could like use it as a cover. I don't know. It's really cool. I like that. I don't have anything like that.